Hey everyone, this is Vanessa from the Pudgy Rabbit, and today I'm going to show you how to do a double crochet stitch in rows. So first I have my worsted weight yarn here, and I'm going to use a 4mm crochet hook, but as always you can use whatever yarn and hook size you have on hand, and I'm going to start by making a slip knot. So I got my slip knot made, tightening it up a little bit. I'm going to place it on my hook and I'm going to make my base chain. And you can chain as many as you want, but I'm going to start off by chaining 10. And here's my base chain of 10. And now before I make my first stitch, I'm going to add 2 more chains to my base chain. And this will set me up to make that first stitch. So 1, 2. And now I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook into the 3rd chain from the hook. So yarn over and counting back the chains. That's 1, 2, and 3. So I'm going to insert my hook into this chain right here. I'm going to yarn over and pull through to bring up a loop. And now I have 3 loops on my hook. Going to yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. And now I have 2 loops left on my hook. I'll yarn over one more time and then pull through those last 2 loops. And there I've made my first double crochet stitch. And now I'm going to continue working 1 double crochet into each chain for my base. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the chain, pull through to bring up a loop, yarn over and then pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over one more time and then pull through those last 2 loops on the hook. Finishing up the last stitch. There I've made my first row of double crochet stitches. And so counting off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now I'm ready to do row 2. So I'm going to start by turning my work by flipping it over. I'm going to place this last loop back on my hook. And I'm going to start by chaining 3. And this will give me enough height to do the stitches for the second row. So I chain 3, and now I'm going to yarn over and then insert my hook into that first stitch for row 2. Yarn over again, and now I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over one more time and pull through the first 2 loops, and then yarn over again and pull through those last 2 loops. And there I've made my first double crochet stitch for row 2. And now I'll just continue working down the row, making a double crochet in each stitch. Finishing up the last stitch for row 2. And there's my second row of double crochet stitches. So counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I'm going to continue working a few more rows. So I'm going to turn my work by flipping it over, place the loop back on my hook, and I'm going to chain 3. Then I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook into that first stitch of the row and make my first double crochet. And I'm just going to continue working more double crochets down the row. Finishing up the last stitch, I ended up making a couple more rows. And that's how you do a double crochet stitch. I hope you guys found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.